So, all right. For this Nomad Sculpt modeling video, we're gonna do like a simple birdhouse. So let's get started. Let's delete our sphere, add a cylinder, right? Make it smaller. That'll be the base. So that's good. Then we're gonna need the bottom. So let's see, box. Front, go up just a bit. Oh, that's good, that's good. We'll make it like 2. Start there, validate. Okay, now we're gonna make the walls. So it's literally just these 4 walls, this, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times over. So we're gonna do that. Duplicate, make a snap 90. Okay, front, R, then duplicate. Let's duplicate that. Oh. Let's go to the top view. That's not too bad. Okay. Let's make it go in there. Okay, that's pretty much perfect. And then we're gonna duplicate that again. Sweet. All right, we got a little square. Let's actually make this a little bigger, so it seems like it's what do you call it? Proportional. Look, back, front. So for the front, remember we have a little square, a little circle here. So we do a trim ellipse for this. That's not bad. Okay, and then what we can do is add little squares. So let's add like torus, okay, cylinder, right? This way. Oh, this will be bird house. Remember in like previous videos, you can do a lot of mirroring, so you don't really have to like copy and paste this. But if you, I'm just doing the manual way to show you. Circle, then that'll be the little house here. Okay. Expand this. Make this go a little smaller. Then put it right around here. Expand it a little bit. Both ways. Okay, it's not bad. And then apply. All right. And then we're gonna add the little window squares. So just add. Yeah, we can make a duplicate of this. So duplicate, make way smaller, like this. Front, that, make it thin, 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 thin. cool. All right. Then duplicate that. Make it, yep, just like this. And then these two can be simple merge. Actually, no. Voxel merge. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Okay. Then we get our little cross here. And now we can do our birdhouse, the side panels right here. So what we can also do is just copy these two. So where is it? Duplicate it. Put it into 45-degree snap. Okay. Like that. Front. This. Then duplicate that. Right. And then just where's it? Oh, I am not sure what happened there, but all right. Front. Okay, and then we can merge those two. Voxel merge. Nice. All right. Now we just need to fill in this triangular gap right here. I think duplicate that. I'll make it go up. Oh, actually, my bad. Yeah, don't do that. Do the one in the back. Duplicate that. All right, and this won't be too bad. So what we could easily do is just do a slice or a trim, and we can do a line. And then go to Gizmo. Oh, that's not too bad. Okay, back, and then do symmetry, no snap, go to trim, and go to rectangle. Okay, go back to Gizmo. Okay, that's good. And then duplicate that. Go to the front. this one is. All right, sweet. Okay, and there we have it. We have a little birdhouse. We can also select these two. Let's see. Make that one big piece, so we'll do a voxel merge. All right, and that's good. Okay, now last thing, mat cap, nope, PBR, unit, yeah, that doesn't look bad at all. Okay, and thank you for watching. All right, we can do some painting, and then do some UV unwrap. If you want to stay, I'll do the UV unwrap just so you have more practice with it. But otherwise, I'll put this up online so you can download it for your own use.
In my life, I'm guilty of committing a crime. A role violation. Cool.
Sorry about that. Oh, that's done. Then okay, last, oh no, roof. That might take a little bit. Oh man, that is taking quite a bit. Didn't think it was gonna have that much. And there it is. All right, and the last part, that actually might take a while. Whew. Yeah, that is 300, oof, 241 vertices. Let's decimate. Oof. See how low we got that down. 240. Let's decimate some more. Decimate some more. All right. Okay, it still gets the job done. All right. Yeah, it's pretty much flat, so that's not too bad. All right. And then up wrap. Remember, if you have something that's like 300K faces or vertices, It's always good to decimate so your model isn't. Ooh, what happened here isn't. Ah! Oh no, it broke. That's fine. So front. Let's cancel the snap. Front. Let's do the side. Alright, that's not terrible. Let's do the back. There it is. Okay. Let's do the right. That's the front. All right. Okay. That's not terrible. Wonder what I broke. I guess maybe that's some of the things you need to watch out for when you're what do you call it? Decimating. Sometimes it'll break your model. Or you'll break it without even knowing what you did. No, that's good where it is. Oh, that's the other piece. All right. It's not terrible there. Okay, so model's good now for some reason. Sorry about that. But yeah, I'll upload this and